Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to give you a tour of Porus. Now Porus is one of the towns affected by the opening of the highway. As you can see, the town does not have a lot of traffic because the highway is free. So people are choosing to use the highway instead of driving on this road. You can't really blame them because the highway is free. So now most of the cars you're going to see driving on the road are taxi cars because the commuters are on the highway. Most of them, not all the cars, but most of the cars you see passing us are taxi operators. So what happened is the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 opened. It's a toll road. However, the government and the toll operator cannot come to an agreement, so no toll is being charged on the road. Now, the highway opened in September 2023. They said come November they would start charging toll, and then that changed to December and then March, and now it's pushed back to June. And there is no indication that they are going to be able to resolve the toll issue anytime soon. Now, as a result, you can drive from Williamsfield to Maypen free on the highway without paying any toll. And people, you can't blame them. You have a nice 4-lane highway to drive on, modern and new, just opened, well, almost a year now, but new. Why would you drive on an old road like this, full of pothole and look how narrow it is? You can't blame the people. As a result of the highway not charging the toll, towns like Porus no longer have the traffic coming through it. This used to be the main road for Jamaica. So a lot of traffic would pass through here and people would stop and buy food, etc. All that is over now. So Porus is feeling it. Clarendon Park is another area that's feeling it, but they are closer to one of the exits for the highway. Now Porus doesn't have an exit for the highway or an entrance. If you want to get to Porus from the highway when you're coming from Kingston, you have to exit onto the Melrose Hill bypass, go all the way up the bypass, go around the Williamsfield roundabout and come back down. I'm not sure why they don't like putting exits on the highway. They need more. A town like Porus should have an exit along with Clarendon Park, but that's for another video. So this is what is going on in Porus. Today is actually a Saturday, and this is what Porus looks like. Now everybody is holding out that, okay, once they start to charge toll, people will use this road more. It will get back some traffic because not everybody is going to want to pay the toll. But there's no indication that toll will ever be charged on that road. What happened is when the highway was first being built from Kingston to Maypen, Trans-Jamaica Highway was given the concession to charge toll on the entire length of the highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. They would build the highway. It was a different company then. It was a French company. They would build the highway and then they would charge toll to collect back the cost of building the highway. So the concession was given to them to collect toll on the highway to pay back for the building of the highway. But they built the highway from Kingston to Maypen. They're collecting toll. Everything is working fine. But the Maypen to Mandeville leg, the government of Jamaica paid to build it, not the company that has the concession. But the government of Jamaica built the highway, but Trans-Jamaica Highway still has the concession. So the Trans-Jamaica Highway did not build the highway, but they have the right to collect toll. So that is why the government, through NROC, is in negotiations with Trans-Jamaica Highway, because NROC wants Trans-Jamaica Highway to pay for the building of the highway, basically pay the government back for the cost of building the highway, and then collect the toll through their concession to pay back for it. But this has been going on from before the highway was finished, September 2023. So that's why I say they might never charge toll on the highway. Because if they can't figure it out by now, what else can be done? But we'll wait and see. But this is what is happening to Porus. So guys, let us know what you think about Porus. Leave your comments in the section below, and if you have any ideas as to how this thing can be resolved, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Or if you think anything can be done to help Porus, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, we're actually going on to the Melrose Hill bypass now. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day, and leave your comments in the section below.